Happy Father's Day. Today we've got family, fishing, food, friends, and fun. Kids are here. We did some fishing. We cooked some nice food. Some friends came over. 17 years ago to as of right now, I've never stopped trying to be the perfect dad. I've always been there for my kids. So every single day for me is Father's Day. My wife, she's like a father to the kids too. That's how we operate in our family. And I just want to tell my kids that I love you. Be good and be safe.
Wishing my sweet husband a happy Father's Day, also my dad and my brother, and to all you dads out there, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Hey, what's happening, guys? Happy Sunday, fun day. My name is CHESLEY ROLLE. I'm a steel drum entertainer here in the Orlando, Florida area. And I want to give a big shout out, man, a huge shout out to all the amazing dads out there and father figures, all right? Happy Father's Day to you guys, all right? From the Hook and Cook with Vlad family, all right? I'm here playing this steel drum here for you. Just to give you guys a little thing on this Sunday. Wishing you guys a happy Father's Day, all right? One love. Check it out. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Happy Father's Day, guys.
How y'all doing, Jenka people? Down here chilling, fishing with Hook and Cook. Just want to say happy Father's Day to my brother Alfredo, to my son Isaiah, my dad Peter, Chatty Father, Papi, and Guillermo. Happy Father's Day from Leroy and Robbie, Mr. Hook and Cook, and the family.
Feliz Día de los Padres, papi, Guillermo. Felicidades. Y mi amor.
Gracias,
Happy Father's Day.
Gracias.
Hey Dad, just want to wish you a happy Father's Day. I wish I could be spending it with you. Love you, miss you, see you soon.
Happy Father's Day, Steve. We hope you have a really great day, and he wishes you a happy Father's Day too.
Happy Father's Day, Michael. And happy Father's Day for all the fathers out here. Hope you catch a big king.
Happy Father's Day to all the veterans and all my folks in the Army. Wishing you all happy Father's Day. Most of y'all are away in Iraq, Afghanistan, and wherever you are overseas. I know you're not with your family. I know the feelings. I just want to wish you all a happy Father's Day, and God bless you, and thank you for your service. Coming from another veteran.
We're gonna go to the pier and catch some really big fish today.
Adrian caught a big king. Father's Day king for the child. Go away, man, come back. I'm gonna say 16 pounds. Nice flounder. There we go, yeah. Saw him from way over there hitting the line. First fish for the day. Father's Day weekend. Just missed the flounder in this hole. Let's go down back for him. He was sitting right on that piling. I've got a big flounder on. Let's grab the net. We're gonna go bring him up right now. He's on this rod. Let's see. Are you gonna able? I think you should bring this fish up. All right, and I'll bring the net up. You gotta stay on the side, Joey's got his bucket over here. Tight, not Lula. No, I'm gonna help you with the net right down there. Let's see. We're gonna get a big flounder right here. Let's see how big he is. Set him. Big? Bring him up, man. Flip him if you can bring him.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it.
Let's see what you got. Got him, Adrian?
Looks like a baby fish.
Watch it.
Oh my God!
Spanish.
I'm on my boat right now.
Here she comes.
Nice Spanish.
That means that somebody's
Gonna get the smallest king. Yeah.
Got yourself your video.
3 pounds?
Yeah, good one.
Here, put him in the cooler. I got some flounders too.
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Look at that.
Ate the whole mother and had a poke in his mouth.
I got teeth now, though. Good.
Yes, yes, yes.
He's still alive, too. So
Yes, that's okay.
the one
All.
you just touched.
I just caught this flounder too, so I know. I know he's alive too.
Yeah, they're alive.
Wow.
Don't rub that all over you.
Yeah.
But there's a pipe. There are pipes right here. Look, there's double pipes to wash your hands right here. I got soap here if you want to put soap in your hand. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. You're welcome. Yes, yes, yes. You go ahead, man.
What?
Take off the bell. I had him down there for a flounder. Think we need a net? That's your little rod.
He's on the phone.
Okay, you got to go to the right. I think he's on the. Well, I'll bring him up.
You need that?
Nah, he's good.
God, mama's way bigger.
Careful. Grab the bell there.
Might hit it.
Yeah?
I got no patience. I don't want to eat.
Let's see. How much?
Oh, he's on.
Yeah.
Another flower.
Not a flounder.
Teach me how to catch.
In the same hole. In the same hole. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. They're sitting right up. They're sitting right here.
How far out?
Right. 10. Not even 10 feet. He's on. He's on. Yeah. Okay. Let's hold on. Let's pull him up together.
Hey, hold on. You got one too?
Do you think I'll kiss my rod for no reason?
Dude, I don't know if I actually have.
Oh, this is a nice one too.
You got one?
Yeah. Look, I'll kiss my rod and show I'll get. Look. This is a big flounder on here. You didn't get any? Look.
Oh my God, it actually is a big one.
You see, guys, if you kiss your rod, you'll get the flounder. This one is bigger than the rest. Yeah. Here, give him a fish to hold. Look, here. Here.
There you go.
There's a fish.
Oh, you see that? Is that a paddlefish?
It's a flounder.
Flounder.
Yeah.
Flounder?
Yeah.
He's floundering.
Yeah, he's flounder.
Covered.
Yeah. Can't beat fresh, right? Yeah.
Quiet on the back.
See? Come and see. Let me show you. Look. It's got
See that fish? Look.
it's got both eyes on the same side. Do you see?
Oh, that's cool.
And when the fish was younger, it had eyes on either side.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing us.
Don't worry. It's
It won't do you anything. No, it's good.
That's so weird.
And look, it's only one of many. Look.
Holy cow. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What's
There are
that?
a couple. That's a Spanish mackerel.
Huh, cool.
It probably speaks Spanish in the water.
My son got it earlier.
Huh.
Nice.
That's my.
I want to go fishing.
Of course. You understand? You got to come fishing. Look at all the kids on the end. I know every kid on the end since they were small.
Nice.
No video gaming, no time for nonsense, just
Right?
fishing.
That's what they should be doing.
Yes.
Do you eat that?
Yes. This one this one is okay to keep.
Oh, he's got teeth.
Yes.
Yeah, he does.
So they will take the baits and go back to the bottom. That's why this side is white. And that side is the camouflage side.
I'm 150. Take your picture, act like you caught it.
Yeah, look, there's a rod, everything right there. We can put it back in the water. You can reel it back
There
up.
you go.
There we
Here.
go.
No,
Yeah,
I don't want to put her in the water.
Just put it like that.
Poor
Yeah,
thing,
hold
he's
him on.
suffering now.
It's okay. He's gonna go. We're gonna.
That's floundering.
Really?
Adrian. He's got somebody's line in him. You see? I'm catching a lot of flunders with everybody else hooking their mouth. Look. So who had a yellow line? I got your flunder. Alright, good. Now let's head to the kitchen and do some nice cooking. I'm doing some Escovitch today, some snappers, some Jamaican style festival dumpling, and some sorrel juice. We're gonna start with the sorrel. I got some fresh sorrel from my aunt, some cinnamon, cut up some ginger. You don't have to put the ginger if you don't want to. I'm gonna cover this, bring it up to a boil for about 10-15 minutes, shut it off, and let it simmer for let it rest for about 4 or 5 hours before I strain it, and then put it in the fridge. I'm gonna add the sugar and everything now, so when I go to strain it, it's all good. This we're gonna have with our snappers, and I got some parrot fish too. So to prep this fish to fry, I want to make sure it's completely dry, or very, very dry. Get inside, make sure everything is out. First, I had washed it with some lime and a little bit of vinegar. I'm putting some slits in the side. This way the seasoning get right into the meat. I already did the rest before. Still, I'm going to pat it some more, try to get some more moisture out. Some salt, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, garlic, and onion. I'm using the powder form today. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side. Then I want to mix this up really well into the fish. Make sure the seasoning get throughout the fish, inside, between the cracks and crannies. Then I'm going to put this in the fridge for about an hour before I started with everything. I have to start with the Escovitch first. I got some nice peppers. I'm going to put some carrots, onion, of course, Scotch bonnet pepper. I got my allspice and Escovitches with vinegar. Some garlic. I got me some ginger, some thyme, and I'm putting in some celery too. So first you want to make sure you cut your vegetables thin. You don't have to cut it long way like this, but this is how we like it. Take out the pepper seed and then cut this up into long thin strips also. You can cut it anywhere you like. I use a couple of different colors. Now with the onions, I'm leaving them in a ring style. This gives the food nice texture, nice look. The garlic, I'm cutting it thin. So is the ginger and the celery. Scotch bonnet is hot, so you got to be careful with this pepper. In the pot, we put some vinegar. I'm going to add the veggies. Then I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Only for 2 or 3 minutes, because I want my veggies and onions and stuff to stay crunchy. I'll add some thyme, some of the allspice. Now you gotta add some sugar. Make sure the veggies are covered with the vinegar. This way it's, evenly cooked. 2 minutes. I did this today for 2 minutes, and that's it. Turn the stove off. Then I'm going to take it out and rest it in a bowl. And, we put the juice back right on top of it. But just that we take it off the direct heat, so it doesn't overcook the veggies. And that's it. Now I'm going to start with the festival dumpling. I'm going to use 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal. And this is, I think, 1/2 cup of sugar. So festival is mainly with the cornmeal, sugar, and some spices. For me, look, I put nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some clove powder. I like the extra flavor these stuff add to the dumplings. A little bit of baking powder and some salt. I'm going to mix this well before I add the butter. This is a very, very flavorful festival. When I cook this, man, lots of my friends love it. I'm just going to mix it up with water. And I'll bring it into the dough. Knead it a little. Then I'm going to put this to rest for about 15-20 minutes. Then we're going to start frying it. So if you notice, I'm rolling it out into like size of a finger, because when it goes into the oil, it's going to swell because it has the baking powder inside of it. This will fry probably 3-4 minutes per side. You just got to be careful what you're doing. Don't get it too overcooked on the outside. It looks brown and it's not cooked on the inside, but it's delicious. Remove it, set it aside. Then we're going to start frying our fish. I'm using the same oil because we're all having dinner with it. For those snappers. And I'm not using any flour with this recipe for the fish. With a nice Scotch bonnet and some thyme. Just add lots of flavor to the oil. Cook it like 5 minutes on the side of the fish, until it's nice and golden brown. Flip it. You can take it out and rest it. And then fry the rest. The yellowtail snapper and the parrot fish. All delicious. And that's it. Look at our meal. Some peas and rice with okra, festival, snappers Escovitch, and some sorrel juice. Then I had some friends coming over. I didn't tell them what I'm cooking. I wanted to taste it and see. Then they gave me honest opinion.
You ready?
This was Ray Forrest, very good friend of mine.
Peas and rice.
Very, very good friend of mine.
Festival.
With that, happy Father's Day to you too, Ray.
A good body and join him. We're waiting on one more to join me. Wait till he comes. Are you still listening to this? You didn't bring your pepper sauce?
Pepper hot, man.
So then we're doing it Jamaican style. Or different parts of the island make the same food. It's Escovitch fish. We got some lane snapper. What more we have? Parrot fish. And some
and yellowtail snapper.
There's a parrot fish. This one is parrot fish. This one is lane snapper, and this one is yellowtail. Ray, what you call this dumpling?
Fried cake.
Fried cake.
Fried cake or fried dumpling.
I know, and in Leroy was here in Jamaica, they say it's festival.
Festival.
Yeah. Very nice Escovitch. There's carrots, sweet pepper, some garlic, some onion, and I put in celery and thyme too. And of course, Scotch bonnet pepper. That's what it looks like. Peas and rice with some steamed okra on top of it.
I went and did the same thing you did for your friends. When I did for you the last time, when I got a car for them.
You don't take out your rice over there, you know?
Thank you, Bob. I'm not going to wait.
There's your rice. You gotta talk me eating now. I tell you not to cook, let me see how
I
much.
already don't know.
Let me see how much Jamaican in Jamaica. You gotta tell me have your life.
Yo, first of all, what for bust the Guinness stuff? Just like that.
You gotta drink my salad juice.
Remember rice and peas. We have a festival. God have mercy. This is a good dinner. Friends like that you need to have around.
Tell me where you're getting early rice so we could see. You gotta put the intro out for me. Let me see what you take. Tell me.
Right, I need some rice and peas.
I'll put the order on top.
Some okra lip on top. Lord have mercy. You man know what we want. Some Escovitch. And my parrot, but you know what? And red snapper. I got the parrot because a long time I need a piece of parrot. Let's have it like this.
This is for the Escovitch.
Just put some of this hot stuff on it. Yes, sir. Right on top. Just put some of the juice right. Right on it.
Hey, we done last, you know, the great play empty. I walk in here, you know.
I will
Just
play
like
you know.
that. Look a bit on the rice.
You gotta give me an honest opinion about this food, yeah?
Yo.
Right, I always come by you and see you cook this food, so I try this out myself and give it back to you. See, what are you gonna tell me?
Don't worry, man. Give me the honest opinion. Honest I can be.
When you taste this, you never buy back from Jamaica.
Oh, rotted. But if I put the festival on my plate.
Take. It's all you can eat.
Yes, give thanks. Yes, boss.
Don't forget you gotta get some salad juice.
Yeah.
You're supposed to
Yes, me there hook and cook with brethren Robbie. Fix me up a nice meal. Me have some festival. Rice and peas. We look okra on the top. And a parrot fish. You know how long me have the parrot fish. And we just don't drop 2-6 love for me and a brethren. Now me a boss again is stout. One love.
You intend to win back this, Mary? You intend to beat back this one?
I beat him, yes?
Already, right. Eat, buddy. Hope everyone had a wonderful time. Happy Father's Day again to everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.